How to use Pinterest shopping to sell products. So for that, what you're going to do is first thing, get your business account. For that, let's open Pinterest, and then from here simply tap on your profile icon right here, tap on the settings icon, get to your settings, then tap on account management. After doing that, tap on convert to business account. Then in here tap on convert account, just like this, and in here write your profile name just like this, and then tap on next. Then what you're gonna do is, if you do have a website, simply write the link of where your website right here, then tap on next, or else you can tap on no website yet. Then in here, if you want to describe your business, you can now do so. I'm going to go with other and then tap on next. And in here, would you ever be interested in running Pinterest ad? If you are, you can select yes, or else I'm going to select I'm not sure yet, and then tap on next. So after doing that, we have successfully converted our account into a business account. Then from here, what you're going to do is connect your product catalog. After connecting your product catalog, you need to optimize product metadata for visual SEO. After doing all of this, lastly, what you can do is tag organic content and create boards. So after doing all of these, you will be able to use Pinterest shopping in order to sell your products. And that's it.